Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're doing a review on this Xtrovac 210. It's a handheld pool vacuum, and this is by a company called Kokido, and we're doing a review of this. We're going to test it out for the first time in the pool. This is great for pools or spas, and this is pretty light, handheld. Here's our charger cord, super easy to charge. So if you see here, there's just a plug on the back here. This piece here actually plugs into that, and then you just plug right into the back here. We're not using that, we just put that in. I got it charged up. It took probably about an hour to get it charged up. And then it has this cool little emptying canister here. So if we just pull up on this, this canister comes out. Turn this little filter here. Now this sock filter actually comes separately. You have to put this on, and if you don't use this, you just have kind of a metal mesh screen, which is going to stop debris, but it's not going to filter out the dirt, the silt, the really fine material. So this little sock filter is going to really help really clean the water, get all that fine material out of the pool or the spa. And you just kind of put this back over. Now you can take this out each time and clean it out very easily, very simply, and then we just put it back. There's actually, if you see right here, there's actually two arrows. There's an arrow here and an arrow there. You just want to line up those arrows, and then you lock it in like that. So it's real easy. So then when you put this back on the canister, there's actually a line here and a line here you line up. And we need to have this actually in that position there. Okay, we have it there. Push forward to lock it down, and then this is kind of the nozzle piece. Now you could just use it like this. There's kind of a one-way valve right here that's not going to allow the dirt to come out once it's in. So you line up this line to that line there, and we just put this cleaning head vacuum on, push it in tight. It does not come with a handle or any kind of pole, so I'm just going to use one of my pool handles, or just like a netting pole that I have. I'm going to clip it on there, get it in the water, and see how it picks up the debris. All right, in my pool, I have a few corners that my larger robotic cleaner doesn't get. This is going to be a good kind of a supplement to that. If you can see down here in this corner, right where the stairs meet the wall of the pool, dirt collects there, also in the corners of the stairs, and on the stairs. My robotic cleaner doesn't get on the stairs. Usually I sweep those off, but this is a good solution to really sweep off, to get the stairs, the corners, to really get that nice clean area for the pool. I'm going to use. And it just snaps on just like your regular net or brush would onto your pole. So there's just two little snaps here. Just push your pole on, snap on, and then our on-off switch is just right here on the side. So once we get it in, we'll turn it on, and we'll see how it does. All right, well, it's been in the pool for about 20 minutes. Still had battery left, so I'm guessing the battery life is longer than 20 minutes, which is really more than I really needed it for. Let's open this up and see what kind of debris we collected. Some of the heavier things, there were some heavier rocks on the bottom that it didn't get. Take a look at this. Take a look at this filter here. Look at this filter here. That filter sock was white. It's now brown with dirt. So what we can do is just take that off, rinse that off, rinse this off, charge it back up, and it will be ready for next time. Alright, this little filter sock actually cleans up pretty good. And then we'll just spray out the cone filter. Spray that piece out. Spray that out. We're good to go. Alright guys, so thanks for watching the video. This is a great little vacuum, especially if you just need, if you have a pool, it's going to be great for those kind of those areas, those hard to reach areas that your main vacuum's not reaching, or just for kind of spot cleaning. Just like you'd have in your house, you have just kind of one of those stick vacuums that you have just for random areas. That's what this is kind of, that's kind of what this is designed for. This is what the purpose of this is to get those stairs, to get those corners, those areas that are kind of hard to reach, that you can get those cleaned up. If you have a spa, a hot tub, some kind of a swim spa, maybe a little smaller area, this would be great because, you know, it's lightweight, it's portable, it's easy to use, and it has that nice filter sock on the filter so that it's getting out all those fine particulates out of the water. So you're able to really get a good filtration and cleaning off the bottom of the pool. So anyway, see the link down in the description below. There's a link to this, and leave your comment, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.